Why do teachers get pregnant so much during school? And it makes going to school so weird because one time I had a teacher that was 8 months pregnant for like half the year. And randomly in the middle of class, she would always scream and she would be like, oh, sorry guys, it's the baby kicking. Like we would literally be reading a book because it was English class and she would be like, but then Romeo, and we would be terrified like, girl, did your water just break? But she could see that we were always petrified when she would scream. So she would try to make jokes and be like, I might pop this baby out right here. No one laughed when she said stuff like that because we were like, yeah, you probably will. But you want to know what the most funny part is? The next year, I had her for a class again, and she was pregnant again. Like, how freaky are you getting during summer break? We need to give teachers more time off so they don't gotta teach a class while they're 13 months pregnant.